Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create luxury minimal ad using diagonal cutout shapes. Now draw a long diagonal rectangle across the frame, then duplicate it and reduce opacity for a layered premium feel. Add gold gradient stroke to enhance the luxury tone. Place your brand name inside a thin rectangular custom frame. Use a serif font for professional elegance. Create small diagonal lines as textures behind the logo. Now add your slogan just below the main title. Insert a product image aligned perfectly with the diagonal